always breaking out like this or like this, it's not just acne. You probably have a damaged skin barrier, and here's how you can get your skin glowing and healthy again. When this happened to me, I thought that I just had really bad skin and bad acne that would never go away because it would never respond to anything that I did to it. Spot treatments, acne treatments, exfoliation, the things that are supposed to help with acne would either make it worse or do nothing to my skin at all. You can also see that my skin was really irritated, it was dry and tight looking, and it was also really dull. Now, all of those things are signs of a broken skin barrier. And your skin barrier is that protective lipid shield over your skin that keeps bad things out and good things in. My broken skin barrier was letting all the irritants and gunk and pollutants into my skin to give me acne and break me out, while also allowing all the moisture and the good things in my skin to escape. And that's why my skin looked and felt so unbalanced and was just awful. I fixed my broken skin barrier by building an effective and simple barrier care routine. And when I was choosing my products, I focused on ingredients like ceramides, centella, allantoin, and panthenol. The first step to repairing a broken skin barrier is simplifying your skincare routine and removing any actives and exfoliating ingredients. Step 2, I would skip cleansing in the morning to prevent stripping the skin, and at night I would double cleanse with a micellar water and a gentle cleanser. For micellar water, I love the Bioderma micellar waters, and my gentle cleanser of choice is the Vanicream gentle facial cleanser. Next, we're going to replenish our skin. Now, these steps depend on how much moisture your skin needs, but I would generally say to keep things simple and not layer products so much because that can further irritate your skin. Start with one toner or serum and then add on later if you need. If you love watery textures and love your skincare to feel super lightweight, then I love these barrier repairing toners. This is the Anua Rice 70 Ceramide toner, which is going to support and rebuild your skin barrier. And this is the Purito Unscented Centella toner, which is going to reduce redness and inflammation in the skin as well as hydrate it. If you prefer serums, then these are 3 I love and recommend. If you normally have dry, parched skin, then I recommend the Manyo Bifida Biome complex. If you have more oily skin, are prone to getting clogged, or like something more lightweight, then I love the TIRTIR SOS Serum. And lastly, this is the Anua Rice 7 Ceramide Barrier Serum. This is amazing if you're dry, dehydrated, and prone to getting clogged pores. Lastly, you want to seal everything in with a barrier supporting moisturizer, and again, I have a couple options for you. If you're oily, fungal acne prone, or love something lightweight, then you're going to love the Oat-In Calming Gel Cream. This has panthenol and oat seed water to calm the skin, and to be honest, if you're dehydrated or you're dry and you just love the texture of a watery cream, you could just apply another layer of this. Next, we have the Purito Mighty Bamboo Panthenol Cream. Now, this is good for most skin types, and this cream specifically has panthenol and bamboo to strengthen and reinforce the skin barrier. Lastly, if your skin is going through it, like it's irritated, it has rashes, it's dry, it's burning, I would go for the Aster Atobarrier 365 cream. And it has encapsulated ceramides and fatty acids to repair and deeply restore the skin barrier. Also, a pro tip, if you have different areas on your face that kind of require different things, for example, I have very clog prone skin, so I can't use this everywhere, but I do have really irritated and raw areas on my cheeks sometimes. I'll just use the lightweight gel cream all over the skin and then spot use the Aster ceramide cream on the irritated areas. And then of course in the daytime, always wear your sunscreen. It's a great idea to keep this routine as your base even after your skin barrier is repaired. That's what I do, and a consistently strong skin barrier is one of the reasons why I don't break out a lot.